Have you ever seen a woman who appears to be in her 20s but is actually 48 years old? Well, prepare to be amazed because today we're going to talk about Lure Hsu, the woman who appears to have mastered youthful beauty in a spectacular way and has been gracious enough to share the tips and tricks that keep her looking fabulous. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to gossip about Lure Hsu, a Taiwanese interior designer who has gained international attention for her youthful appearance despite being 48 years old. Lure appears to be in her early 20s, and her secret to maintaining her health and youth has many people in wonder. In this video, we'll dig deep into Lure's lifestyle and beauty regimen to uncover the secrets that have helped her maintain her youthful appearance, from her diet and exercise routine to her skincare tips and beauty hacks. So watch the entire video if you want to learn the trick to defying aging and appearing younger. A fashion blogger and social media influencer from Taiwan who attracted a lot of attention in 2017 for appearing young despite being in her 40s at the time and was born there on August 16, 1975. She grew up with two sisters, one of whom is also an influencer. Try as you might to replicate Lure's super skin success, sometimes looking fabulous is a family trait. While her father prefers to stay out of the spotlight, Lure's mother, May, a 65-year-old ex-dance teacher, could easily be mistaken for a woman in her 30s. Lure's sister Sharon shares her flawless skin, and the pair's other sister, 41-year-old Fei Su, is another age-defying beauty. Together, the four women are known as the Family of Frozen Ages by Taiwanese media. Lure started as a fashion designer in the fashion business before switching to becoming a beauty blogger and influencer. She initially gained attention for her youthful appearance and fashion sense, and has since become known for her skincare routine and healthy lifestyle. Su has amassed a large following on social media platforms such as Instagram, where she has around 1 million followers. Her followers look up to her for her fashion tips, beauty secrets, and wellness advice. She has also worked with multiple firms in the fashion and beauty industries and has been featured in numerous media outlets, including Vogue and The Parade. Despite being 48 years old, she has drawn a lot of notice to her young appearance and bright skin. There are a few behaviors and lifestyle decisions that may have contributed to her youthful appearance, even if she hasn't revealed any precise secrets about her health and youth. First and foremost, adopt a nutritious diet. One element that helps Lure Hsu's general health and well-being is probably her excellent diet. Although her precise diet is private, she has given certain overarching concepts that drive her eating habits. According to reports, Lure emphasizes consuming entire, nutrient-dense foods such as an abundance of fruits, vegetables, and lean protein sources. She stays away from processed foods and sugary drinks because they might cause inflammation and other health issues. A healthy diet high in whole foods and low in processed foods and added sugars can provide the body with essential nutrients and help promote healthy aging and overall wellness. Lure reportedly also drinks plenty of water, which is essential for maintaining healthy skin and flushing out toxins from the body. Lure Hsu reportedly incorporates exercise into her daily routine, which may contribute to her youthful appearance and overall health. While she hasn't shared specific details about her workout routine, it's likely that she engages in a variety of exercises to promote overall fitness and wellness, according to interviews with Lure Hsu. She exercises regularly, typically for around 30 minutes each day. She prefers to do a combination of cardio and strength training exercises, including jogging, cycling, and weightlifting. She also enjoys practicing yoga, which she says helps her maintain flexibility and balance by incorporating a mix of different exercises into her routine. Lure Hsu is likely to reap a range of health benefits that contribute to her youthful appearance and overall well-being. 3 different skincare regimens. Lure Hsu's meticulous skincare regimen, which purportedly focuses on moisturizing and nurturing her skin to keep its elasticity and suppleness, has been credited for giving her a youthful appearance. She follows a multi-step skincare regimen that includes toning and cleaning. Her practice of using a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and pollutants from her skin, moisturizing and sun protection hurts. She uses a toner to adjust the pH level of her skin after cleansing it. Lure then employs a serum, a potent formulation that penetrates the skin deeply with active components. This helps address specific skin concerns such as fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. In order to care for the sensitive skin around her eyes, Lure also uses eye ointment, which is prone to fine wrinkles and dryness. As a last step in her daily skincare routine, she applies sunscreen to shield her skin from UV radiation that can cause skin damage and premature aging. According to reports, Lure has frequent facials to maintain the health and beauty of her skin. Lure Hsu reportedly uses a sunscreen with a high SPF, wears protective clothing, and avoids spending extended periods of time in direct sunlight during peak hours of the day. Additionally, she uses other sun protection measures, such as sunglasses and wide-brimmed hats, to shield her face and eyes from the sun. Get enough sleep. According to Hsu, getting enough rest each night helps her feel more energized and focused throughout the day. Getting enough sleep has also been linked to a range of health benefits, including a lower risk of chronic diseases, increased cognitive, emotional, and physical health. Management strategies exercise, which has been proven to be useful in lowering stress levels and enhancing mood, is one of the strategies she employs. Exercise releases endorphins, which are naturally uplifting chemicals that can help people feel less anxious and stressed. Additionally, it is believed that one engages in relaxation practices like yoga or meditation, which can calm the mind and foster feelings of well-being. These practices can also help lessen the negative impacts of stress on the body and mind, like anxiety and high blood pressure. Additionally, Lure has said that she makes time for herself every day, whether it be by reading a book or just taking a moment to unwind and relax by reducing stress in various ways. By managing stress through these methods, Lure Hsu can maintain her youthful appearance and overall health. Genetics. Lure Hsu's genetics likely play a significant role in her youthful appearance, although it's not entirely clear which genes are responsible for her youthful look. Some research suggests that certain genetic factors can contribute to healthy aging and a youthful appearance. For example, certain genetic variations have been linked to a higher risk of wrinkles and sun damage, while others may be associated with better skin hydration and elasticity. It's important to note that genetics alone cannot explain Lure Hsu's youthful appearance. Lifestyle factors, such as diet, exercise, sleep, and skincare habits, also play a role in healthy aging and a youthful appearance. While Lure's looks may have set the wheels of her fame in motion, sustaining her success has been an ongoing personal effort that everyone can learn from. For more motivational stories and advice on leading a healthy and full life, subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed the content. Please hit the like button. Until next time, keep an optimistic and healthy lifestyle. Lure Hsu is a wonderful example of how we can age gracefully and maintain our health and youthfulness well into our 40s and beyond. While her genetics undoubtedly play a role, it is her dedication to a healthy lifestyle that truly sets her apart. By taking her lead and incorporating these habits into our own lives, we can reap the benefits of aging gracefully. If you want to start the health journey like her, then check out this video on the screen, which will unquestionably help you out a bunch to stay focused, uplifted, and healthy.